I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And today we are going to be trying out the contour palette from Guize. And I'd like to go on record as saying, like, this is what I look like without makeup on. No eyelashes.
I have makeup on, which is real sad. Like, look how dark under my eyes look right now. So I'm hoping that this brightens it up a little bit.
First thing I'm going to do is pull my hair back. Okay.
Okay.
You know what?
I'll just sit here while you fix your hair.
I can't handle it. You know when your hair gets somewhere, you're like, I need to cut it all off? That's where I am right now.
Don't do that. You just remember when you cut it and you hated it?
It was a bad cut,
so
guys. Okay, I'm not going to cut it, but it needs to be trimmed. Okay.
Okay.
We both have the Moonlight series, which is the lightest series in this contour palette.
How pretty.
And look how gorgeous these are. They sent these to us.
I just smelled it.
I'm going to swatch these. They feel amazing on. They're like,
ooh, they're so soft.
so buttery.
You know that I am like completely contour inept, right?
Well, so am I.
I don't think so.
No, so you can see the 4 shades, kind of. Obviously, this final, wrong way. This final shade right here is the highlighting shade, so it doesn't show up very well, but I think on the face, it'll do a nice job brightening. Get this booklet that comes with your palette that has
instructions.
Totally, who doesn't need that? I need that. I mean, they show you based on the shape of your face where each of these colors should go. And on the back, the colors are numbered, and it's pretty easy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, cool.
From left to right. So it's, you know, I am backwards. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just going to follow their directions. So they give you the options of heart, round, square, or oval. I think I have an oval face.
Do you?
I do. What do you think you have?
A round face.
Okay.
Absolutely. Look how much I have to do to my face. There's like a million like little...
That's really weird. Is like the oval face has like nothing up in this area.
I know.
So for me, number 1, which is this lightest shade, I'm just going to dig right in.
Okay. What kind of brush are you using? What is this?
This is like an e.l.f. I don't know what it is, but it's just an e.l.f. kind of like tapered brush because
this it says duo fiber contour brush.
All right. So 1 is like your lifting, so the brightening. So for me, and again, as with anything, less is more. You can always add more. And I have foundation and concealer on. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, a little bit does go a long way with this. Just FYI, look at my under eye.
Hey, that looks really good. I hope I get to put mine under my eyes. Do I? Should I be blending? Look at me.
Where'd you put it?
Right, you can't see it.
Oh,
right here?
interesting.
Right here.
Yeah, you should be blending.
Okay, hold on.
Whoa, one goes down the bridge of the nose. Do I look brighter? I feel like I look brighter.
You do look and I have like
So take a fluffier brush and blend it out.
Okay.
So you just blend it out. So these are highly pigmented. I would just warn you to use So I put 1 kind of underneath here, so 2 gets layered kind of directly above. Whoa, that's a lot. Whoa. Guys, I mean, I know I have to blend it out, but that's a lot. See, you know, the oval face does not get a lot of contour, guys.
Okay, I will say that I do see a difference with the under eye.
Yes, absolutely.
Right?
Power through. Guys, it's a process. Trust the process. All right, I'm going on to 3. My 2 is very minimal. It's only here and here. And it looks like a lot, but I'm just going to trust that when I blend it all together, it's going to be okay.
My 2 is out of control. Look at it. It's all along here.
Do it. Do it. Go for it. Come on, Chloe.
I'm just going to blend. Let me move my bangs out of the way here.
Guys, we have a problem. Hold on.
What?
Okay. We're just going to blend. Blend it all. Blend it all.
But mine says like all the way like right here. Like,
do it.
I would
carve out that jawline. Carve it out.
I don't have any jawline. I have no cheekbones either.
I'm just, you guys, blend like the Dickens. Blend, 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 blend.
Okay.
Okay, I think, well, we're getting there.
I do feel like I look a little more alive than I did 5 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago. Ooh, 3 scares me because it's real red.
I feel like mine's up a little high. Like, do I need more? Let's see.
3.
I think I went a little high. I'm gonna go back in with 2 a little bit and bring it down just a touch lower. Just a touch, guys.
So on my 2, like it has me do the outline here. And then on my 3, it has me come in a little bit and do this much. So maybe it's like slimming the round face, right?
Gotta blend. 4 is the highlight, which goes exactly where you think it should.
Am I crazy? But I'm going up into my hair a little bit because otherwise...
Yeah. 4 gets highlighted right in the center of my forehead. 4 gets highlighted right here.
What do I have to do now?
While Wendy works...
Stop.
No, I had way less to do. Wendy works, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. This is the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. Wendy doesn't love it, I do.
Okay, how much do I need to blend?
I think it's good.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm in love with number 1 here.
I like it too.
Do they sell it as is? Because that is an amazing illuminating powder.
Yeah, it does a nice job. It's not accentuating like the fine lines under my eyes. It's just very brightening.
For lift effect, that's what it says. Yeah, pretty.
And for all of our yammering on, it is actually a pretty quick process.
Yeah.
I mean, it was new, we had to talk through it, but honestly, it would not add a ton of time to my day.
What do you think? Do you like it?
I do like it. You can see that these are really pigmented. So just
Sorry.
FYI, if you're gonna use this on yourself, I know for me that I need to like tone it way down. Like a little bit goes a really long way.
Yes.
But it did blend out beautifully. Like even when I used too much, it was very easy to just
I need to put some lips on.
blend. This is a win for me, guys. I never would have said that I was a contour palette person, but I think you could really amp it up if you wanted to, like if you wanted like a real sharp contour, but I like how this just kind of,
it just gave me a little like,
just warms up your face.
Yes.
And here's the thing, which I wish I had done. You could absolutely use this as an eyeshadow palette.
I know.
I'm gonna use this highlight.
I think you should use number 3.
Right in my inner corner. Which probably, oh, it does show up. Yes. I wish I had done that today.
I know.
It's very similar to, well, maybe I'm just gonna try a little bit.
Do it.
I'm gonna add a little bit of number 3 just into the outer corner because I already know it's super pigmented.
I'm just in love with this number 1. Give me more number 1 here.
Yep, love. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If
that was
fun. Pick up, that was fun. Wendy was nervous. Can I say that you were nervous?
Of course.
End product, A+, which I think really speaks to the quality of the product itself.
It's nice.
That, first timers figured it out. We are not contouring pros, and yet here we are. You want to pick up a palette for yourself, we're gonna leave the link down in the description down below, and we'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.
Bye.